we are keeping polarimeter. After light sources, we are applying this light rotating with the clockwise direction. This is also clockwise direction. B form textorotatory. The sign will be positive. Suppose the polarimeter rotate counterclockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, the sign will be negative, levorotatory. See, some compounds are also what about racemic mixture, plus or minus, the ratio will be 50-50%. Meso compound. Okay, so what about this enantiomer? This is also what asymmetric carbon, chiral carbon, optically active and mirror images and non-superimposable. Okay, see here also amino acid, one type for alpha alanine. This is also mirror images, right? Okay, so what about enantiomers? Already we discussed it yesterday. So you see here the example enantiomers and the diastereomers is very important. Okay, so diastereomers, what about this? Very important. There are not mirror images of each other and non-superimposable. Okay, here also non-superimposable. This also non-superimposable. See, least on one stereo center for RS configuration like this. Okay, so here enantiomers we discuss. For example, for the what about tartaric acid meso compound, meso tartaric acid. You see here the structure will be, we are the plane, we are insecting the middle structure, one original structure, reflection 2. Here also 3 original, reflection 4. See what about the structure? This is for the tartaric acid, both also enantiomers. Okay, optically here also a mirror images active. Then rotate this carbon. This is stereogenic center 1 and 2. And 2 acid also functional group like, okay, 1 and 2. See this acid. See this is chiral carbon. Because this is rotate with what about R? Here is because reflection, right? See the R means what about rectus. Rectus, S means sinitus. Sign will be positive and sinitus means negative sign like RS configuration. Okay, that is the Greek word rectus and sinitus. So here also what about? This is rotating with this carbon. OH coming this side, H going that side. You see here, rotate 180 degree. See finally what about this? Both also identical. Here these are diastereomers. So the meso tartaric acid, the group on the top carbon reflects onto the group of on bottom. Okay, this acid, both also acid. So what about this chiral? Yesterday we discussed what will be the configuration. The optical active, you see the light sources and polarized light, polarization light. This is polarization light. This is the sample containing the organic molecule. We are keeping with this. This is folder, right? Sample. This is analyzer, observer. So what about, see here the rotation based on what about the sample? Clockwise rotation. See like what about not straight line? The only straight line. Once observe the any light sources for organic compound, do not move means optically inactive compound. Mostly for this what? Diastereomerism. Okay. Textorotatory clockwise. Negative sign, this is a levorotatory. The ratio you see here 50-50% optically inactive racemic mixture. This is racemic mixture. So this is also clockwise direction, this is counterclockwise direction. See alpha and then. So finally, any organic compound, what about the polarization light and path length and the concentration, we substitute this formula. Finally, we find out with what about the rotation value. Okay. So this is standard for the optical isomerism. How to we are find out the specific rotation alpha D. So in this formula, we substitute the value. Finally, we are getting. See here, you see the plane polarized light. That the plane polarized line has not been rotated. See, once rotate, not movement. No movement means what about the plane polarized light do not move with any other direction. That is meaning of optically inactive compound, mostly diastereomerism. So the achiral molecule, not chiral molecule, achiral molecule, what about any two atoms are functional group identity. Okay, does not rotate the plane polarized light. This is optically inactive. You see a plane polarization movement. The plane that is called known as optically active compound. This is a chiral carbon. Okay, student, please, anyone, are you getting this point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that So here also we know the what about chiral carbon, because all the substituents also four substituent different. This is chirality asymmetric molecule. See here achiral molecule, you see here the two substituents also identical. This is achiral molecule. Okay. So what about the chiral? What about the achiral molecule? This also. See here this another is very important. See, we know already instructed. This is a clockwise direction, counterclockwise direction. First, we should write any organic compound, asymmetric carbon. We should write the what about vertical model like Fisher projection formula. You see the representations of three-dimensional molecule as a flower structure. A tetrahedral carbon represented by two cross lines. One is a horizontal, another one is a vertical. Okay, horizontal lines are coming out of the plane. Horizontal, like the plane of the paper, like here also page. So vertical lines going back behind the plane of the paper, behind the. Okay, so here substituent, this is also carbon. Carbon is a center position. You see here the lactic acid. See, we should write the find after this equation, the vertical model we are right after written. We substitute hydroxyl group, methyl group, hydro and acid group, lactic acid. Okay, so first we should find out the priority. Which one is the priority? I thought we will discuss next. So in this, yeah, you see here the assigning for the RS configuration Fisher projection. First, any organic compound we should write for the Fisher projection pattern, vertical horizontal model. Like assigning the priority of the four substituent according to the CIP rules. On Ingold-Prelog rule, CIP rules. What about the rules says that Furcon 2 allowed manipulate of the Fisher projection to place a lower priority group at the top or bottom. Okay, the priority of the group 1, 2, 3 are clockwise. Sign clockwise, then they assign the center as R. So they are 1, 2, 3 counterclockwise sign means this is S configuration. Okay, you see here, this is for the place at the top. This is also methyl is the down. After writing, you see here amine, methyl, acid, hydrogen. See first atoms what about nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen. Nitrogen is a higher priority. Okay, number 1. This is 1 is over. Then come back to 2 and this is methyl and acid. Here carbon same. Second atom oxygen. So oxygen higher priority than the hydrogen. So we should mention number 2 and 3. What about this rotation like counterclockwise? That is for the S configuration. Okay, so similarly here also what about here amine, methyl, acid group. Here amine we know 1, acid 2, here methyl 3. This is also clockwise direction. So how to assigning for the RS configuration? Suppose given any organic compound. So this is like we first say write the Fisher projection formula, then priority of atom. What about the which one is the higher atomic number? First we should write this. Okay. So then what about, for example, like here, this is a chiral carbon, right? Number 1 is a given, what about 1, bromine, chlorine, then methyl. Okay, this is like that. So here similarly any, suppose given carbon double bond, carbon triple bond mean, first we should write this like. Okay, then we are assigning for the atom. For example, here also what about methyl chloride, CCl. So chlorine, 2 chlorine, here only methyl chloride, here only 1 chlorine also there. You see here the more priority because 2 chlorine also here there. So higher priority than this, only 1 chlorine atom. Okay. So once asking very simple question for the our examination part. So here this is not interest of this, very simple, only given. Suppose given what about that like CHD has a higher priority than CHD, deuterium like. Okay. So first what about the Fisher DL projection nomenclature? Fisher established configuration nomenclature sugar or amino acid by first studying into D-glucose. This is what about the glucose model. Glucose. See aldehyde, here also alcoholic group. How many stereogenic center present? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom. The 2 carbon atom top and bottom also functional group. Okay. So for the description according to the nomenclature, the molecule is placed vertical and straight chain with most oxidase N placed up the top. Okay, oxidase part which one? Aldehyde. This glucose, fructose, maltose, hexose, furanose. This is also what about after disaccharide. Disaccharide. This is we draw the benzene ring. Hexose means 6 carbon. We write the hexose like a benzene ring. One is this is for the one end is aldehyde is oxidation. This is oxidate with another glucose might be joining. That is for the disaccharide. Okay. So this is very briefly we studied for the carbohydrate chemistry. So first, why this is example, we should write the vertical model for the Fischer projection formula like. The bottommost carbon far away, this oxidase end is taken into consideration. This is also like, okay. So this is a look. What about the presence of the right dextro? This molecule has a D configuration. If the present left is a LEVO configuration. Okay. So the example below 4 asymmetric carbon, it is the highest number of carbon from the oxidase carbon. This is 1 to 4. Hydroxyl group left side and named as L-glucose. Okay. So see, first any organic compound we should write the Fischer projection formula. You see, suppose carbon double bond last group present. First 1 carbon hydroxyl carbon. Okay, here carbon. First 1 carbon, then we convert to thisane carbon methyl and acid. Acid COOH, KCH3. So 2 is the higher priority, then third priority. Rotation as well as this is counterclock. So this is S configuration. Suppose what about the erythro and trio nomenclature? See in this compound what about? See here sugar molecule, carbon aldose sugar like erythrose, ND word. What about glucose, erythro, trio. What about erythro? Trio means opposite. Erythro means the same side. You care aldehyde. What about OH? All the same side. That is erythriose. Okay, care opposite direction. H and this is also coming like trios. How to assigning for the geometrical isomerism? Cis and trans isomer. Then what about more than 2 atom presence of the carbon-carbon double bond means we are going to analyze with another pattern like EZ mutation. Here also similarly. Okay, so here compound having 2 different chiral or asymmetric carbon. 2 different. See what about the asymmetric carbon atom made by using prefix what about erythro. Okay, suffix what about ose, glucose, ending words. Trios like when 2 atom 2 same group are on the same side. You see here, this is chiral carbon atom Fischer projection formula. It is erythrose. Opposite means what about trios. Okay, this is another patterns of optical isomerism. So the very important for the what about RS configuration notation is very important. This trio L3Os for the another pattern purely for only Master of Science people also studying in this optical isomerism. You see the Fischer projection like. Okay, the Fischer projection represented every stereo center as a cross. The horizontal line represents bond extending out of the plane of the page. Bond extending. The functional group also present for the horizontal. Vertical, the represented what about the plane of the center of carbon also coming like. So used to represent carbohydrate, the places most oxidase group top. We know aldehyde like. The chiral carbon has the intersections a vertical and the horizontal line connecting up the line vertical and the horizontal. So yes, this one what about a chiral carbon asymmetry. So both the HOH group also horizontal intersecting line connecting for the hand like. Okay, our 2 hand na, this is also hydroxyl and oxygen. The vertical for our body, but each one also connecting the interconnecting for the carbon. Okay, top bottom is oxidized bottom also. This is not asymmetric carbon. This is first 1 and 4 carbon for glucose also what about asymmetric carbon. Okay, alcohol group at the bottom of the Fischer projection. So which is not a chiral. Okay, so like this. What about Saha's projection formula? This is also vertical horizontal like this model. Okay, this one is a Fischer projection. Saha's projection, what about stick model? The balance na two side also balance and the middle. This is also what about? So this is also stick model like. Okay. See here also what about carbon? First carbon, second carbon like. You see here this first and second carbon like Fischer projection. So sorry, Saha's projection. See, this is what two principle of stereo center. It is view a molecule down particularly carbon bond connecting. Within the group connected both front and back carbon. This is front carbon, this is back side carbon. Okay, using a stick at 120-degree angle like. See what about Saha's projection can also drawn so that group on the front carbon are staggered. Okay, see eclipse directly overlapping. See what about? See this is staggered carbon, first carbon, the front carbon, rear carbon like. See this is staggered configuration only for the visible 120-degree, the visible for the backside carbon. See eclipsed carbon means what? Both also overlapping. We can't visible with backside of carbon. Only the functional group also. See we can't visible because the front carbon. See what about closing with backside carbon. Like you see here, the Newman projections also like in this Fischer projection vertical model. Okay, Saha's projection stick model. Newman projection front carbon we can't visible. Once after rotating, staggered configuration visible. Eclipsed configuration overlapping with front and back carbon we can't visible. Okay, so this is 3 representation of the 3D structure for the structure of ethyl light. What about the Newman projection? The front carbon of this bond represented by a dot. We put this is front carbon, put a dot. Backside carbon also a circle. Okay, so 3 remaining bonds are drawn nicely coming up of the dark circle, separated by another 120-degree like. Okay, see anyone. See first this backside carbon fixed, the front carbon only rotate. Eclipse means what about? Here also hydroxy, the acid group. Also this closed, right? Here also staggered configuration, 60-degree rotation, the visible of the functional group. We see here that next one is very important, conformation analysis of NPUT. So this every semester also frequently asking for the all the examination internal and external also discuss the conformation analysis of NPUT. Okay, what about the butane structure? Ethylene, ethylene, 2-ethylene making a butane. Okay, so here the butadiene we studied because a double bond also formed. This is a double bond means 1,3 butadiene. So 2 diene, 1 position double bond and 3 positions also double bond there. Okay, so this is also restrictions of the rotation. This is conformational. That one is a configuration. This is conformation. Conformation what about? Rotamer. Rotamer means what? Only carbon-carbon, single bond, sigma bond also presents, right? See here also first carbon as per the rule what about? First carbon dot, second carbon also circle. The staggered means what about? Functional group also visible. So the eclipsed again this rotating. This is also what about? Eclipse means what about? Overlapping. So the energy minimum and maximum occurs every 60-degree as the conformation changes from the staggered to eclipse configuration. So again this one staggered. Again rotating 60-degree what about? Coming like this eclipse. So the conformation that are neither staggered or not eclipse are intermediate in the energy level. Okay, so this is very important for the conformational analysis. You see here the what about the carbon bond, the capable rotation, this is stacked RT only for the 60-degree rotation. Okay. Here also methyl, here also rotation number stacked anti conformation. Okay. Catch conformation, anti conformation like. See here 60-degree rotate. 60-degree rotate means what about? The first carbon just put fixed, second carbon only rotate. You see here, rotate means what about? This is also here methyl. Here also coming like what about hydrogen, front carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, methyl, hydrogen, hydrogen, front carbon. This is also methyl, only clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Methyl coming like overlapping. What about the here the distance of the methyl and hydrogen? So cap 60-degree angle, the interaction is very low. The attraction force is very less. After 60-degree rotation, what about methyl hydrogen interaction is higher energy. Student, are you understanding for this concept? Anyone, please?
Yes, sir.
See here, the stacked the distance cap is long, so the attraction force is very less. Here, after what about eclipse configuration, after rotate is 6 only round circle, second carbon rotate, front carbon is fixed. Rotation is along with clockwise direction. You see here, see methyl hydrogen, this is interaction is more. Okay, the electrostatic force of attraction between the hydrogen and methyl are also stronger than the structure 1. Further 60 degree. What about this is methyl is coming like this is again stacked. Overlapping eclipse. Stacked means a deviation. This is also stacked catch conformation. Okay. Further 60 degree. The methyl going this side, identical. The methyl also coming overlap, eclipsed. Further 60 degree. What about the methyls going this direction? The second carbon only we are rotating backside circle carbon. Front carbon is fixed. This is also stacked. Further rotating 6. This is also methyl also coming. Here hydrogen, here also. So we rotate the clockwise direction. You see the structure 1, 3, 5. Odd number of see structure also stacked configuration. See, you see structure 2, 4, 6. Eclipsed conformation. Okay. So first now, see very important for the energy level diagram, dihedral angle versus energy. What about which one energy is more? I told right, the stacked configuration. So cap the distance of the methyl and hydrogen longer than the for the structure 2. Because this more electrostatic attraction presence of the structure 2. This energy level decreases, energy level increases. Methyl interaction stronger than the structure 2. Okay. Then what about 5? You see the energy level diagram. Dihedral angle between 2 methyl group and energy level. Structure 1 stacked anti. Okay, you see here structure 1 anti conformation. So the energy level is poor. Again, structure 2, what about? See methyl hydrogen interaction, the energy level is higher. You see here higher, 4 kilocalories per mole. Again, 60-degree rotation, structure 3, what about? Stacked catch conformation. The interaction is very less. Further methyl interaction stronger than the structure 2. So at the top polarity always are eclipsed. The lower polarity stacked configuration. Structure 4 eclipsed overlapping. Structure 5 stacked. Structure 6 what about again eclipsed. You see the structure again eclipsed. Okay. So here also energy level. Yes, this is compared to what about this is also lower. So methyl interaction stronger than structure 2 and 6. Further decreases. This is reversible, right? 1, 3, 5, again 1. So what about 60, 60? Rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 into 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 See, what about 60 into 60 rotation? 360-degree rotation again coming original structure. You see 6 time rotation, each 60-60, 6 time rotation coming original structure. Okay, so this is for the energy level diagram for the butane, N-butane. Okay, so this is very important for the confirmation analysis of N-butane. Student, any doubt today's session, please raise your comments or queries. Anyone, please, student. I'm also not feel well. Please. Oh, it's very good. So, once started attendance, everyone.
Number 2.
I thought Kusi is asking it out or someone else asking it out. I don't know if she is attending class or not. Kusi madam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kusi, any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. Definitely no doubt. Yes, okay. Yeah. No one asking out. Suppose once asking why no doubt means no, sir, no, I am not interested in chemistry. Okay, I close the PPT. Okay, student, next is very important instruction. So next coming Monday, I thought day order 5. Okay, tomorrow day order 3 and day order 4 I thought Friday and day order 5 Monday. So day order 5 Monday, only one experiment remaining. The experiment name is what? Determination strength of pH. Okay. So we should find out already conductometry, what about strong acid versus strong base? We did right. So that is also same Buhler paper solution. The conductometry, we find out each 1 ml, what about the conductance decreases. Here only instead of conductivity cell, instead of pH. So the pH meter we are connecting with the cell pH also we are insert the solution and each 1 ml sodium hydroxide ordered water about that. So this is graph like coming water port, the pH curve slowly increases. Okay, like water port, the drastic change come 9 to 10 ml. That is the end point. Further we will do the fat titration. Fat titration 0.22 ml. What about the differences? And we should draw the fat titrations also. Okay. So the remaining one experiment is pending. I request to everyone, please complete the your practical file. Last 3 experiment, graph, calculation, model graph, calculation, and a rough tabular column. Once volumetric is there, you should draw the properly table column and the value. Okay. So please, you are complete the activity for last 3 experiment. So day order 5, I given the value. You should find out the pH experiment, model graph, and everything. Still also you complete the tabular column, model graph, and everything. Once I give the values, you substitute the calculation, find out the pH of the given solution. Okay. So then immediately I given you only 1 day time. You submit the file. No, sir, yes, we are going to prefer for the CLA2 other subject. This is CLA2 for yourself. For me, no CLA2 because for me, so too much activity also there. Please, are you understand? Time, please, as per that
Yes,
you
sir.
to complete your task, submit your file. Yeah. So now I inform because last CLA one all are taking more than 1.5 months to 2 months also. Okay. So this
Okay.
is for the your information. Yeah. So next is CLA 2. Many students prepare like what about only MCQ, only asking to someone we are asking to that. Okay, this is also many student I don't know, but not honestly attend the examination. But you should prepare like university examination after CLA 2. See only few what about 1 or 2 weeks only there. Okay, within 2 weeks maximum for 8 or 9 classes. In between gap CLA 2 after CLA 3. Once CLA started, no class. So the CLA 3 and university examination very short duration. So everyone prepared like all the topic like university exam. Don't think your mind like CLA 2. So now how to prepare the university examination? Like same also prepared for CLA 2. Okay. So only for the revision for university and model examination. Okay. So already many file I uploaded. This is enough for your preparation. Okay. See what are the requirements CLA 1 to CLA 5. This is enough because two materials also uploaded for the each module. This is enough. I don't know how many students touch the file or the document. No? See. But anything else?
No, sir.
Yes, thank you, Aditya. So, remaining for 9 minutes, please stay on class. Someone I thought class, someone close. Say after 5 minutes, I will take attendance. Then we concluded for this class. Okay. Because this monitoring committee also come first and last minutes. Sir is starting when class may be late or monitor and after when is close. Yes, last hour means many teacher also 10 to 15 minutes leaving. So this also monitor for committee. This is not like that all the faculty member. I don't know why this like. Okay, please stay on class. After 5 minutes, I will take attendance. Sir, any problem, any mistake for chemistry? Feedback of yourself, please tell them I rectify myself. Anything else, student, please, all are very good, very nice students. Tell me, suppose I hurt anyone, please sorry. And tell them your comments, further I improve myself. Honor project means Adnan has left the meeting showing. Please, you are stay on class, Adnan. Adnan, are you?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, thank you. Are you see?
Present, sir.
I see any problem for chemistry
No, sir.
subject, any issue,
No,
further
sir.
any develop myself.
No, sir. You are clear.
Okay, Roshan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Roshan,
Yes, sir.
any tell your feedback, any mistake, anything else for chemistry?
No, sir, you are too good.
Yeah,
Sir
Himanshu.
didn't share the PPT.
Which one PPT, Aditya?
So from which you teach?
Aditya.
So from
No, I
which
shared
you
right
teach?
PPT. This is a
No, sir, that are
model 3
handwritten
only I
notes.
pending. Okay, now I. Okay, the PPT, yes, PPT. Model 4 also I shared already. Okay, the model 4 I shared the PPT. Okay, but the model 3 only pending. The model 3 after this class I will share. After this class.
So those are handwritten.
Okay, Aditya. Yeah, you asking PPT na, Aditya?
So from which you teach, I am asking that PPT.
That one also spectroscopy started spectroscopy. Then what about model 3 in periodic properties? Okay, I will share the PPT. PPT model 4 already uploaded our classroom. Okay, you will check please. Okay. Okay, remaining that one is there. Okay, next we will discuss what about Shashank. Are you there? Shashank, Vaibhav, Sivans. Sir, today attendance marking tomorrow because they had a 3. Your class also
Sir,
there.
Vibhav
So that
present.
is please.
Sir, Vibhav present,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Shashank, Sivans,
Yes, sir.
Parth,
Yes, sir.
Parth is Deepanita,
Present, sir.
Aditya,
Present, sir.
Shweta Shri
Yes, sir.
absent.
Yes.
Okay.
No, sir. I
Others,
had
okay.
told you that day. I had.
Present, sir.
Okay. Okay. Tripti,
Present, sir.
Kumar,
Yes, sir.
Naman,
Present, sir.
Subham,
Present, sir.
Sivakuru Priya,
Present, sir.
Vishav,
Present, sir.
Adarva. Tell fast, please. Adarva. Adarva absent. Asutos,
Present, sir.
Shantanu,
Present, sir.
Afan,
Yes, sir.
Nigel, Chatbox. Okay. Smith,
Present, sir.
Aditya,
Present, sir.
Nigel,
Present, sir.
Prakash,
Present, sir.
Arushi,
Present, sir.
Sarvesh,
Present, sir.
Asmi,
Present, sir.
Nivedita,
Present, sir. Sir, present.
Samrin,
Present,
yes,
sir.
Samrin,
Present, sir.
Mukundan, yes, Mukundan, 99 Mukundan, Saranya,
Present, sir.
Mahin,
Present, sir.
Krishnadara,
Present, sir.
Navneet,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.